also added the blocking query plan tracking. So let's see. Do you want to kind of break down the difference between what we were previously collecting with what we're collecting now, Steve, between that blocking queries?
Sure. So if you want to click on one of the blocking, like blocking over time or blocking queries, one of those, Mitch. I mean, we've expanded those a little bit too, but for a long time we've been able to go in Database Health Monitor and look at what are the times a day that we're seeing the most blocking happening. And again, this is a test database here, but wow, we got a lot of blocking going on. We've got drill down, so you can click and drill down on one of those like 100% blocks. And it doesn't mean that it was blocked for the whole hour. It just means that's the biggest blocking time. And then from there, you can double click and go in and see what it is, the whole sort of blocking structure, which we lay out there with here's the top block, and then here's what's being blocked by that. What we modified was that now in the database, and you can't see this through Database Health Monitor yet, but that will come in the future. But if you go to the blocking over time table in the DB Health History database with Management Studio, the query plan for that top blocker is shown, and you can actually open the plan and look at the actual plan that was used at the time the blocking was occurring. The reason we added that was one, well, it's totally awesome to have when you're trying to track down why something's blocked, but because the plan that was used at the time the query was run may not always match the plan that you see when you open your own query, the same query in Management Studio, depending on settings or parameters or data that's changed or statistics out of date since then. So it's a great way to be able to go grab and see that. And what's really cool about it too is that if that plan shows missing indexes, you can go in and find those. Or if the plan is showing warnings, like we used that feature just this morning, George, implicit conversion. A query was taking over 15 minutes to run. Using that plan feature from the Database Health History database there, we were able to view the plan. We were able to see from the plan that 3 implicit conversions were being done, and we were able to change the runtime of a query from over 15 minutes to 6 seconds by changing how those conversions were being done from a varchar to an nvarchar type. So the blocking query tracking, plan tracking is just, in my opinion, one of my favorite things that I've added, or not that we've added in the last 4, 5, 6 months, maybe even in the last 2 years. It's pretty darn cool. And it just really helps with when you're trying to track down what was happening at the time that this query had blocking.
Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.